we can back up our contacts from a VCF file. Just open a browser, go to contacts, google.com. In the left menu, you can see the selection import. Click import. Select the file that you have exported or someone else downloaded for you and upload it to your Google Contacts mobile contact. And you can also optionally put a label. You can put one of these labels or create one new label. A label is a group of contacts that later you can use in order to easily find these contacts from the left menu. Click import. And you now have it uploaded. You can also find the duplicates in order to clean it. You're okay. So this is it. Also, I would like to say that the labels can be used as a tag. So if you're going to write an email and you want to inform all the people of a specific label, just click to compose new email to which one? Business. So business contacts. So I have board members there or something else. Cheers.